Hello friends, on this video right now how you can check your security updates on Honor 90 mobile phone. So friends, before we check the security update, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. When you move on setting, you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling and here you can see option of the security. So if you want to check security update, then you have to click on security. When you click on it, here you can see security update. Okay, so click on security update and here it will check your security update. It's checking. It says your software is up to date. Check for updates. You can check for the update also. And here is a current version. Okay, if you want to check your current version, you can check your current version also. I just click on the back button and here you can say Google Play System update. Click on Google Play System update. It says checking for update. Okay, so from here you can even check your Google Play Store update also. Okay, if you want to check, it says your device need to restart to complete the update. So your device need to restart. It means I have to restart my mobile phone so that the update will be complete. So here is the restart option. Just tap on restart and your mobile phone will be updated easily. Okay, it will be done successfully. Okay, so you can do these options and you can follow these steps. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.